Hi and welcome, Lisa here, introducing another fun Fill a Holiday Truck 4x6 stamp set now available in the Whimsy Stamps online shop. Let's have a closer look at this stamp set before I share a few samples with you. The stamped truck image measures 2 3/4 inches wide by 2 7/8 of an inch high. That's the largest image in this set. Now you can fill the truck with the cut Christmas trees, add a festive wreath, or string some lights up on your truck's bumper. Add a holiday message stamped onto the hanging placard. So many fun things you can do with this set. Stamp the truck with your favorite background stamps to create a personalized truck that any recipient is sure to love. My first sample here shows how I paired the truck with the bendy border stamp set and slimline envelope edger dies. This is a great way to make use of that large overjoyed sentiment included in the Fill a Truck stamp set. For my second sample, I paired several of Whimsy Stamps products with the Fill a Holiday Truck set to create a fun, festive Merry Christmas card. Let me know what you think of the Fill a Holiday Truck stamp set in the comments below. And for more information on the products in this video, you can head over to the Whimsy Stamps website by clicking the links in the description box below. Be sure to join us in the Whimsy Stamps and Inspiration Facebook group. We would love to have you follow us on Instagram and Pinterest, where you'll find more inspiration. Until next time, please take care.